Hello guys, I will be changing all the one connector for display for A05. Let me show you for the first what it's doing. It's just vibrating, no sign, no anything. Now I would like to change this guy as a connector here first. Now I will use my air station, but instead of using this guy also I can use him, but for now I will use the air station. Okay, but please like and subscribe for my channel, because if you like and subscribe, the more I have encouraged to teach and to show my skill in Botswana. I've removed it successfully, nicely. Now it's time to me to remove it from the phone or device, Samsung device, just carefully. The more the heat you apply, the more you damage the belt. Just know that. And they have been low. You will be having the consequences with the customer. You see? Where did